Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic, and the holidays are here. Christmas is just around the corner, so I wanted to go ahead and make a video and let you know about our Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. You guys have been waiting for it because we really don't do any sales throughout the year. We have this one big sale a year, and then we're done. So I appreciate all the support on the YouTube channel, the SkinnyMedic YouTube channel, and I definitely appreciate all the support over at Medical Gear Outfitters. You guys are awesome. Thank you for the support this year. So, Black Friday through Cyber Monday, we have two things going on. One, if your order is less than $100, when you hit the total checkout and it's less than $100, $99.99, you get 15% off. Okay, we already include free shipping, so you get 15% off your order. If your order is going to be over $100, then you get 20% off. If your total is $99.99, put in the coupon code SALE2019, automatically so take that off your total, check out. If your total is over $100, it's $100 or above, put in Big Sale 2019, and boom, you get 20% off. Also, Ballistic Ink is doing 15% off the SkinnyMedic shirts. So you can get a hoodie like this, you can get the long sleeve shirt, you can get a SkinnyMedic hat, whatever you'd like there, and you get 15% off there as well. I'll put that information down below, as well as the coupon code. I appreciate all the support. I'm super thankful for you guys. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Thank you for the support. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.